Welcome to this edition of Trucker's Kitchen. I know it's been a super hot minute. I don't know, life has been a little bit crazy and I've been covering some other topics and things like that. But y'all, I gotta get back to the basics, get back to my roots, and that is Trucker's Kitchen. So last year we tried to eat more carnivore style because we typically eat more keto style, and we gave it a try and we did it for a good while. But I found out, unfortunately, that my pancreas and gallbladder just weren't very happy with handling that much protein and fat, and so we are back to keto. But we have made a little bit of changes and we are eating still incredibly healthy. You guys know that we eat farm fresh food and we prepare things well in advance. So I have corn that's been put up, I have carrots, I have fresh spinach, garlic butter that I made, and today I'm going to be making some homemade ramen noodles. I also have some chicken broth, bone broth that I made in the fall time when we process through the chickens, and then this is my store-bought, well, I say store-bought, but I use Azure Standards. I'll put the link down below. If you guys have never heard of Azure Standards, they kind of go through and check things that are higher quality for you. So a lot of organic things. So these are organic, gluten-free ramen noodles. They are really great. If you have never had quality ramen noodles, highly recommend checking those out. But I'm gonna make some shrimp ramen noodles and it's just gonna take me probably under 10 minutes, but I wanted to share it with you. So here we go, let's jump right into it.
We're going to start out with the garlic butter in the pan. Then I'm going to add about a half cup of the vegetables. Today we have carrots and corn, and sometimes I love to add peas in there. After I mix that butter all around there and get that all stirred up in the vegetables, I added the shrimp, dumped that in. They are already peeled and the tails off, all like that, ready for cooking. As that's simmering, I'm going to add in my spices. This is a great time to add some herbs and wonderful nutrition into your diet. I put in some turmeric, some garlic powder, ginger powder, Cajun powder, things like that. Really just Google you a ramen noodle broth recipe and it'll give you some ideas what to put in there. I go ahead and pull the shrimp out before it's done cooking because shrimp will shrink up and it will get tough if it is overcooked. And then I'm also going to stir that in a little bit more and add that chicken broth over top. Now the chicken broth, because it is also bone broth, there is some minerals and fat left in that jar. So I'm going to go ahead, put some water in that, and then I will add that later into the cups that we're eating in, and it will cool down the temperature so it makes it a lot easier to eat. I also encourage you to taste the broth before you add the noodles in. The noodles I break up into small pieces because it allows it to cook so much faster. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to cook these noodles, just stirring them occasionally, making sure that they stay in the liquid. And then I'm going to add some spinach in the last second. Again, another amazing thing that you can add in that adds a lot of nutrition to the meal. All right, so I'm going to divide it up and just put more of the noodles and vegetables in there. Mix that shrimp in, the cool broth from rinsing out that jar, and then just dividing it up. And I love these kind of ramens because it really allows it to be creamier and smoother. After we're done cooking, Scott always fills the skillet up with some water. That way it can soak. Don't wait till you're done to try to scrub that stuff out. And then he just lays it to the floorboard. That way it can just sit there and cool off while we're eating.
All right, guys, so there is our ramen noodles. It's already half cleaned up. Sitting at the table, eating a meal together. You guys, I highly encourage you, if you are husband and wife, eat your meals together. This job is hard, and if you don't intentionally spend time together, you'll start to divide. Can't have that.
No,
how's that shrimp ramen?
I'm good. Nom nom.
Y'all, stay safe, eat well, and enjoy the adventures.